If you are seeing the your purchase failed because something went wrong error on Roblox, don't worry. Here's a quick and easy fix you can try right now. Let's get started. First, open Roblox app on your device. Tap on More in the bottom right corner, then go to Settings. From here, select Payment Method and double check that your card details are correct. Make sure nothing is expired or entered incorrectly. Once that's done, you can go ahead and exit the Roblox app. Now open your phone settings, search for iPhone storage, then tap on it. Scroll through the list of apps or sort by name to make it easier and find Roblox. Tap on Roblox, select Offload app. Once the offload is complete, tap Reinstall app. This refreshes the app files without deleting your data and can fix hidden issues causing the purchase error. After reinstalling, open Roblox and try making the purchase again. Keep in mind that payment errors can sometimes be caused by temporary system glitches. So this step often resolves the issue. And that's it. That's how you can fix the purchase failed error in Roblox. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.